Hi bestie, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to do my plan with me, and if this is something that interests you, hopefully you join me. Hi bestie, welcome to my channel. I'm going to do my plan with me for this upcoming week. So if it's interests you, hopefully you join me. Hopefully you had for the first few days of 2025. Awesome start to the year, and hopefully your year is starting great so you're achieving some of your goals. So leave in the comment, guys, what type of planner are you utilizing this year, meaning and what size? Are you using a ring planner, disc bound? And what inserts are you using for 2025? If you could leave that in the comments, that would be great to see what everyone is using. So for 2025, guys, I decided to go back to my LV agenda. And the inserts that I have LV agenda inserts this year. Last year I did disc bound system. And I say, you know what? I have this LV agenda that I paid so much money for years ago. Why not go back and use what I have? And since I'm using my LV agenda, I wanted the LV agenda inserts. So I had got these a few months ago, and gonna see how it goes, guys. So I am doing blackout planning as well. I have an A5 black planner. And I'm trying to decide what I do my plan with me with my black paper planner. Now, if you want me to do blackout planning and share it on YouTube, feel free to let me know in the chats if you will see something like that. So for this week, I was trying to decide which stickers I should use. I was going to pull out one of the more recent LV sticker books that I got last year for this week. But then as I was flipping through some sticker books, I said, you know what? I'm going to use this sticker book that I have from Kellofaplan for this week planning. So majority of my planning within this agenda, and because the way the set up of the inserts are for LV, it would be very minimum of stickers that I utilize each week in this particular planner. But I haven't used these stickers. I don't even think I used this sticker book last year. I don't think I did. But I said, you know what, let me add some floral. And I typically don't do the floral thing, guys. I know a lot of planners, they love using flowers in their spreads. And I'm not really big on the flowers, guys. But because I'm shopping my stash and using what I have, I say, you know what, this week I'm going to add some flowers to my spread. Now, I'm not sure if this sticker book from Kellofaplan is still available. Like I said, I've been shopping my stash using what I already have. But if it is, I will check to see, and if it is still available, I will leave the link in the description. So since this is a plan with me video, and I'm just starting back getting to doing the plan with me videos here on YouTube. Now I know within the budgeting cash stuffing community, I did indicate what my word of the year is. For 2025, my word of the year is I'm about to say 2025 again. No, my word of the year is grit. That's my focus this year. And I've been looking for some planner accessories with grit on there. Now that I remember, someone had a planner clip, and I think I want to order that. But I did see on Cloth to Paper's website, they had the grit notebook. a dashboard. I think I saw the notebook and the dashboard that I ordered. So I can add the dashboard to this planner. And then I'm going to use the notebooks that I got just to jot things down as I work towards a lot of things that I want to work towards this year, guys. So if you have a word of the year or your one little word, leave that in the comments too. So I'm trying to see where I want to place this sticker. I think I'll place it right here. And so another reason why I have pulled out this sticker book, because it does have some black stickers in there, and I was thinking about using this sticker book in my blackout planner. Not sure if I will, but that was one reason why I pulled it out as well. So I haven't done a total flip through of this planner yet for 2025 because I'm still waiting on some planner items to come in that I had ordered. I ordered it in November and I'm still waiting for those items to come in. I thought they would have been here already, guys, so I could do my flip through of my planners. And I haven't done none of them because I'm still waiting for those particular items. So once I get all of those items that I ordered for my setup for 2025, I will do a flip through then. So hopefully it comes this month. Hopefully, my fingers crossed that they do come, because I do want to finalize my planner and how I have it set up. Okay, so I think I like the flower right there in the corner. And I don't need to add a whole lot more to this week's layout, but let me see what else I can add to complete my spread for this week. But it doesn't need that much. So at first I was wondering, should I add stickers for this layout of the inserts that I'm using this year? And I said, you know what, I still can, even though the setup is different from what I used last year. I could still do it because I don't need a lot of stickers. I just need just a little bit. And see, my only decision is flipping through, trying to decide on what I want to use. These stickers in the sticker book are so pretty. Okay, so I have an appointment this week. Alright. I'm almost done, guys. Let's see what else I can add. I think I want to do these dots. Okay, so let me get one more. Okay. I'm trying to see if there's anything else in here. So I do like the quotes that's in this sticker book, but because of the setup of these inserts and the size of the quotes, I think it will be just too much to add to this layout for the week. Now, if I had a bigger planner, I'm thinking maybe if I would had it in my A5 planner, it might not be too much. But this is my personal planner, and it's kind of too big for this particular layout. But let me find I have some stickers that I purchased, and they're in the Louis Vuitton font. Hold on, let me get them. Because I ordered these stickers probably a few weeks. Well, no, it wasn't a few weeks ago. Probably like in October or September, and they're in the Louis Vuitton font. And it's just like header stickers, like to do, your goals, weekly, monthly scripts. So I thought I had all of my stickers here with me, but I don't. So I'm going to use what I have. I left the other stickers in my planner bag that I didn't bring in here. So right now I'm just going to use what I have ready available here. So let me add this sticker. And let me I want to add something with my Monogram Monday sticker. And I'm trying to see. So I don't have all of my LV sticker books readily available with me right now, but this is what I had in my pouch. I'm trying to see which, I was trying to see if I had the LV purse or the planner sticker that I could place beside Monogram Monday. But it looks like the sticker book that I have right now, the purses in this one is larger. It's too big for the space that I want to place the sticker at. But I think I found something that I can place there. Cause I think it can fit there and it's not too big. Cause I want to place the sticker beside where it says Monogram Monday. Yeah, so that fits perfectly there. Okay, guys, we're almost done, guys. What I did learn last year when I started doing Plan With Me while recording, it helped me to plan faster with recording when I stuck to like one sticker book. Cause last year when I first started doing the recordings with Plan With Me, I used to have several sticker book guys. And that's why it used to take me longer to plan, but I got it all down packed now when I'm planning. I'm typically using one sticker book. And like here, these sticker sheets right here, I specifically ordered for my LV agendas. And I'm trying to see if there's something else that I want to use. And I don't think there's a script that I want to use, but I can add this logo to this. And I think that's basically it, what I planned for this week. I don't think I need to add anything else. So let me know your thoughts of the Plan With Me for this week. And if you want to see me do anything else with my Plan With Me, please feel free to leave in the comments. And I want to thank you so much for joining me in my Plan With Me for this week. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to like, share, and turn on your notification bell. Toodles!